Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a creative recipe card. It's very simple. First things first, you're going to have to open up your Canva web application, which of course I have done right here. And the next thing I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So how to create designs on Canva. There are two ways to go about that. First, you can choose to design from scratch by clicking on the create a design button at the top right corner of your screen, or you can get over to the search bar, type in what you want, and it's going to take you to a wide array of templates that you can choose from to help your creative processes. So let's get right into it. From this template, in the sense, all we just need to do is to type recipe card and punch the enter button of your keyboard, and you see that it takes you to a wide array of recipe card templates. Now there are some designs that Ali Build Pro, that means it have these crowns on them. So it means you need to, of course, upgrade your plan by clicking here. And then there are designs that are not Build Pro, and it's just really special. So here you have this really nice stuff, and I think I like this because it's really simple and sweet. So I open this up, and next thing I do, click on customize this template, and then it takes me to the Canva editing studio. So here I am, all right, waiting for all of my elements to upload. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So I want to change this, right? This is special hot dog, and I'm going to change this to unique taste for you, just something like that. So as you can see, I need to of course adjust this by reducing my font size. So I just go ahead and click on font size here, just do my calculation 21. I can also spread this. All right, so all of this text in here, I don't really want to change them because that's going to take too much time. But if you want to change them, just double click and edit your text, and do the same for all. And then for this picture, if you want to change it, head over to upload. That if you have a picture, head over to upload and click on upload files to change that picture. But I don't have a file there, so I can just go to elements, and I can say food, and elements is just gonna bring. So I take two photos and I see if I can get food that is for free of them here, just saying pro. So this is really nice. So I'm just gonna drag and drop, and that changes the entire picture. So here I can change the color of this to something else, maybe this. All right, and I can also choose to not need them. So how do I choose to not need them? Just click on it and click on this delete button, and then it goes off. But I think I like it, or I just take them inside, just drag and drop. I can also change this is also an element that I can change, and either take it in or choose to change the color. So I click here and I see if I can change the color. I like that. And this too, I need to change the color of this. So just find all of the elements that can be changed, and because that has been changed, I also have to change the color of this to what everybody has, or that's something darker. So that's fine. All right, you can go ahead and move every element. So you can click on any of the text and click on the three dots menu for more options, or you can explore more options right here. Just get creative with the whole thing. You can change the font or change the font size. I trust you. Or you can just drag and drop to move. All right, and that's it. So this is more like a really creative menu, like unique taste for you. And I have changed the picture. I've shown you how to drag and drop to change the position of things, so you can just explore it and do what you want to do. And once you're done, click on share and click on download, select your download settings, and you'll be good to go. So this is pretty much how you can make a creative recipe card in Canva. I can go over to the title from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.